back to my channel. So today I got a package from Temu. And if you don't know what Temu is a online shopping platform with great quality products for affordable prices. And we're going to be testing out and rating those products today. Enjoy the video. So the package arrived and it came all tightly packed together like that. So we just start by opening. Just gonna cut the tape. It arrived pretty much the same time it said it would. And I ordered 5 items. So far the packaging is pretty good. I mean, the shipping was free, which is nice. So now I'm just gonna cut it open right there. Alright, so the first item that we got was this hair uprooter. So just doesn't have much packaging or instructions, just this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It feels like good quality. It has this sort of bamboo handle, which is nice. And that part basically takes off of clothes, fabrics, anything, and takes all the hair and dirt and grime off of it, so we can test it out. Now I have this carpet sample that we're going to go ahead and try it on. So it's supposed to uplift anything in the carpet. And so far it's working very well in getting all the dog hair and stuff out of this carpet. And look at that. All that stuff came out of this carpet just from using this. Okay, now we have this other type of carpet. It's a little bit thicker. And now we're gonna start and use this and see how it does on this. So it kind of just scrapes it all off, and it literally just looks magical how much stuff it gets off. It's crazy how much stuff it gets off. And it all collects right there onto that. And this is how much stuff we got off of that little piece of carpet. Okay, so our next product is our phone case that we got. Now, I needed a new phone case for a while because mine broke. So now we're going to be seeing how this phone case does. And this phone case was 69 cents. So, I mean, I don't really have high hopes for it, but so here's what it looks like. Just a clear phone case. Now I'm going to put this case on the phone. Okay, so it fits snug and covers the outer edges and protects the cameras. So it's a pretty good case for under $1. Okay, so the next product is this smartwatch. Now, this is basically a cheaper version of the Apple Watch Series 8. So we're going to see how it compares. So we're going to start by opening it. So far, the box is a nice quality. It's almost like an Apple box. The feel of it is very nice. It has the little picture of it right there. Let's see, does it do the apple? And it does. Now, this is the little thing of how to connect the phone. And this is a little manual that tells you all about it. And now this is the watch. Now it comes with 2 bands, which is nice. The real Apple Watch doesn't even come with 2 bands. This comes with pink and white. This is the white one, and this is the pink one. They feel very nice, and they're very good quality. And I believe this was $10. And here's the little charger. Now we are going to have to charge this before we use it. So plug it in. But this overall feels very nice and looks very real. It feels like very good quality, and the scroll feels nice, and it feels like real metal. So we're just going to peel this off and place it in the charger. And it does a little pulse when it is charging. So we're going to let that charge and we'll come back to it. Okay, so this one is now done charging, and there's a couple different watch faces that they have already. So there's a big selection of the different ones. Even a Mickey Mouse, Memoji. Okay, so the next product that we got is another Apple Watch kind of fake, and it's the fake of the Apple Watch Ultra, and it is the Watch 8. I'm impressed with the packaging on these so far, and we're going to open this. This one's a little bit harder to open, but it's nice how it comes in the plastic, like that. And here's the box. Now, I think you open it on this end, or maybe this one. Okay, so it slides out like this, and here it is. It's very good packaging. So this one actually wirelessly charges. There's the wireless charger, which is very nice. It looks like the real one. And here's the band it came with. Again, very nice feel. It does not feel cheap at all. And this will go in right there. So that's the band. And here is the watch. And it comes in some nice little plastic packaging I'm very impressed with. So we slide it out. Some fake screws on the bottom. But overall it looks pretty nice. And here it is. Nice feel. It feels very real. And there's the action button and the regular button right there. And you can see if the bands slide in nicely. Okay, so I got the band on and it feels very nice. It looks very good too, but we're going to now plug it in along with our other one. This is a nice charger. It has a long cord too. So we can plug that in and let's see. Yep, it has little magnets and it should charge, and it says hello right there and shows a little charging animation. Right there, and it buzzes and it shows the little charging. And of course below here we have the little manual and tells you everything you can do with it, and it gives a little QR code so you can install the app for it. So I'll get back to you guys when they are done charging. Okay, so here's what it looks like. I put a watch face on there. So if I go ahead and scroll with the little scroll, then this is the watch face that I put on there. And to do that, you just go through the app and it displays your steps and everything you need to know, what day it is and what time it is, with a customizable background. And the app also has a lot of different ones that comes with it. And over here is the little action button. And if you hit that action button, then it goes into your workouts. So there's biking, hiking, running, jump roping. And then to hit that, you go back to the home page and hit that one more time, and it goes to the apps, and you can scroll in and out and move those around. I really love the functionality of this watch with all the watch faces, and this color really matches this and this, which is nice. And if you go on to this one, by clicking it, you can change the colors. There also is a little speaker on the side, which you can go into your apps right here and play music through Bluetooth on the speaker. And there's a bunch of different features with the workouts. Overall, the look of this watch is pretty great, and the watch faces that come on it look very similar to the real Apple Watch. And the feeling of the materials are good. And if you want an alternative to the Apple Watch, I would recommend this one. Okay, so we have one thing left. Now this is another band that I got, and it has a little pouch, and here it is. Now this was made for the Apple Watch Ultra, so we're gonna see if it works on my Apple Watch. Fake. So we're just gonna take out the bands. Okay, now that we got that off, I'm going to try to put this on. And this one is the little Alpine loop clip, and you just clip it in to adjust it. It feels pretty good quality. Okay, so I got the band on it, and here's what it looks like. It has the little metal right there and right there, and the little pieces of the Alpine loop right here. So you just take this out like that and pull it out like that so the watch is on your wrist, and then tighten it up by pulling it. And then take this part around and slide this into that, and now it's on. I really enjoyed reviewing all these products today. The first product I would give a 10 out of 10. The hair uprooter, it worked so well, and the great build quality and the good looks are what is making me give it a 10 out of 10. The next item was the Watch 8. Now this I would give a 9 out of 10 because it works great and looks great. And the Watch 8 Ultra, I will give a 8 out of 10 because it is very functional and looks great and feels great with an affordable price, but it does get laggy sometimes. The next item was the phone case. It's great price and great looks along with the great feel of it is going to give it a 10 out of 10. And last but not least, the watch band, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10, only because the feel of it is not the greatest. And it was very hard to get into here. But overall, I loved reviewing these products today. If you liked it too, drop a like and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite product? If you enjoy this video, make sure to check out some of my other videos and my website linked down below. Thank you so much for watching.